In the graph shown, the post office is marked at P, and the market is located at Q, and the axis shows the miles, and we want to find the distance. Anytime you see distance in this class, you need to be thinking of the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So what we want to do is make a triangle out of this. So I'm going to connect it. I'm going to draw a straight line from Q somewhere down to here, just way down below, and then I'm going to draw a red line. And I want to count how many space it is each of those lines are to connect them. So for the red line, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the pink line going up and down, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12 units tall. The hypotenuse C is always going to be the distance for us. So we're going to fill it in. The A and B are interchangeable. So we're going to have 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared, or the distance. 5 squared is 5 times 5. That's 25. 12 squared is 12 times 12. That's 144. We add them up. 25 plus 144 is 169. And the opposite of squaring a number is the square root. So we take the square root of both sides. And we're going to get 13 equals c. That is our distance. Take a moment to pause it, because we're going to go on to the next question. At the Parley Farms, the individual fields are laid out in rectangles, like the one shown below. What is the shortest distance between shed A to well B, with the points? So we want to find the shortest distance between A and B. So let's just draw a straight line. And again, we can visualize a triangle out of this. We can see how long is the side there at the bottom. Well, it looks like it's going to be 50 units long. And then going to the top, it's 60 units tall, using the coordinate grid. So we're going to have 50 squared, and of course the red line is our C, our distance. So 50 squared plus 60 squared is going to equal c squared. 50 squared is 50 times 50. That's 2500. 60 squared is 60 times 60, which is 3,600. We add them together. 2,500 plus 3,600 is 6,100. And again, the opposite of squaring a number is the square root. So we take the square root of both sides. And this time, it does tell us, it doesn't say in here, but we should have rounded our answer to the nearest tenth. So C is about equal to 78.10249. It kind of goes on forever because it's an irrational number. But if we want to round to the nearest tenth, that's the first number that comes after the decimal. So we look at the second number, and since the second number is 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we don't change that 1, so our answer is going to be 78.1 feet.